Hello student, today we are going to learn in English a poem Rain for standard first. So student, you have to look, listen, sing and talk about these pictures. So let's start singing with me. Rain is falling all around, it falls on fields and trees. Rain is falling all around, it falls on the fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Rain is falling all around, it falls on the fields and trees. Rain is falling all around, it falls on the fields and the trees. So student, this is how we learn the poem. Let's do some question answers. Name the things which you seen in these pictures. The first thing we observe is umbrella, a colorful umbrellas. Then birds as you seen in the pictures. Then rain. Then clouds. Student, these are the things which we observe. The next question is, where does the rain falls? The answer is fields and trees according to this poem. Our next question is, where do you see the ship? As per shown in the picture, the ship is in the sea. The answer is sea. So students, enjoy the rainy season and do it your study at your home. Thank you.